So we do have some smaller djembe drums, but today we are going to be looking at our two largest ones. So this one is a hand-painted wooden drum from Africa. It's actually classic, it's rope tied, carved at the bottom, and it has a hide skin on top. This is how it sounds. It has great resonance, everything that you'd expect from a professional djembe drum. Just to give you an idea of how it sounds. And then this one is an Indonesian drum. I'm not sure what type of wood it's made from, but it is extremely heavy and it's very tribal. It has got an Indonesian legal wood certification. Again, it's rope tied. You can tune these drums. I'm not exactly sure how to do it. I'm no drum expert, but you can see how big this drum is and the resonance is incredible. Very, very loud. Going to definitely annoy the neighbours with this one. Anyway, that is our largest djembe drums.